This review is for the SunSare vacuum stick vac. So this is all the stuff that you get in the package. So there is the wall mount that you can use if you want to, but you don't have to. It actually has a removable battery that's charged, and you can just plug this right into the battery. You just open this little thing, plug it in. So you don't have to have it mounted. You can just do it this way. And then there is an extra filter. There's one in here already, but they sent an extra one. Then you've got the hair remover and cleaner brush, and then a couple of other attachments. So when you first take it out, of course you got to put it all together. It's pretty blue. And so this piece just will slide in there. It says that it has a no tangle thing here, roller, and so hopefully that will be the case because I've got dogs, so I'm hoping it's no tangle. I see that there is a tape here that I have to take off in order to use it. All right, so this piece here is going to expand. So it looked really short at first, and then I realized that that expands. So if you're not very tall, you might not need it to expand, but if you are tall, then you will want it expanded. And then when you first get this, you do have to charge the battery. It's partially charged, but it says in here to be sure to fully charge it before using. So I did already. And then you slide this right on there, get it to work. When you want to empty it, you just press that button and the stuff will come out. And also, if you need to replace the filter, this just slides off, maybe, if I can get it to work. This just slides off, and then this just twists off. And it says that you can wash this with water, this part. So you can rinse the filter and all of this, or when you need to replace it, you just replace it. So I'll put all this back together, hopefully. There we go. All right, so then take it down. One of the things that I liked best about this was with my other vacuum, my Dyson stick vac, you have to actually hold the trigger down the whole time you're vacuuming, and it gets pretty tiresome. But this one, you just turn it on, and then it's got, you don't have to hold it down, and then it's got different modes. And it shows you, I guess, how long the battery would last at each mode. Ooh, man, that chocolate is still in the road. A lot of stuff in there. And that's on the lowest. So, to me, like probably medium is what I would want. Just leaving the thing, but it's not sucking the whole rug up. And then if it were real dirty, I'd probably turn it up to max. So, very nice. So very impressed with this so far. Really like it. And I just got through vacuuming this with the Dyson, and still, look at what it's already picked up. Just in that little bit of time, it got that much that my Dyson, which is several years old, missed. So good suction on this thing. And done.
The regulator cell to reserve batteries. I love it. And then on.
Touch you. What do you do? I guess I told him my mouth out.